Hi you guys, this is Gwendolyn, and for today's video I'm going to show you another Just Fabulous bag. Ooh, that was good. Come on, that was good. If my necklace is crooked, sorry, like if it's facing the wrong way, crooked. If it's facing the wrong direction, sorry about that. Okay. For today's video, I decided, there I go, picking at my bangs. As soon as this camera starts, I start doing this because I don't know what it is about my movement, but my bangs start to drop in my eyes and it just kind of bothers me. Anyway, for this video, I wanted to show you guys another handbag that I picked up. This is I guess a simulated alligator or croc design. I forget which is which. Looking at it like on the bag, I know which animal is. But anyway, but this is the bag. Look at the little handle. Isn't that cute? I know it's not like, it may not be the most exciting handbag you may find, but I think it's so cute. It has this little handle and you put your finger like through, I guess, to hold it, or however people do that. You know how people carry those bags, they put this part, like the handle, it becomes almost like a ring. I think I'm doing it backwards. I think it goes, I forget, I don't know how it goes, but you can just hold it like this. Of course, you can just hold the bag like this. It's a type of a blue, like I think it looks kind of navy blue. There, I think that's what it is. It's like it has a chain. There I go with the chains. I'm loving chain straps. They're so cute. Like I told you before, they remind me of jewelry, and I love my jewelry. So that's what it is. A little clutch. I don't remember the actual size, like as far as measurements, whatever, but it's just basic. It's pretty cute. It's kind of squared, like a little mini envelope or something. Has the paper inside, but this is the size of the bag. There I go, taking paper out on camera. I'm standing too, just because I was going to attempt to show you guys and just what I had on if I was going somewhere with this and to carry this bag, going to hang out like for lunch or something like that. I was showing you what I would be wearing because we know we're not going anywhere right now. So other than maybe the grocery store or something like that. And what I'm wearing to right now, I would wear to the grocery store. So I'm going to show you in a few minutes. But this has just a zipper inside, just a handbag, cute little. All this, you can remove the strap, of course, with the little clasp right there. Of course, it's silver. It's just cute. It has a pocket here and a pocket there, zipper. So it fits. You know, guys, you know, it could fit your basic essentials, things like that, if you're just going out, like going grocery shopping and things like that, because some of us are still doing that. So I could wear this as a crossbody. I'll show you in a few minutes, maybe if I get to that point. I could do it as a crossbody. I'm going to attempt to show you what I had on today. Now I put on my shoes and things like that. It's going to make me taller because of course, duh. But I have my shoes off because I was going out of the frame too much. Yeah, you guys know I have these shoes and I don't do this filming very well. But the dress I have on, I wear maxi dresses a lot. If you guys, people that know me, know I wear them a lot. Let me attempt to let you see a little bit more of me. I'm trying to see if I can go back. No, I'm going up. I'm going to do the best I can. So, and I have a chair back here. So this is pretty much, I don't know how well you can see me, but see, I can wear this crossbody. I have on just a wrap type of a dress, fitted dress. I don't know how well you see it in the camera, but, and I have on, it has a split down the side. Sorry to show you so much of my leg, but I have on these shoes. I'll attempt to show you. They're like navy blue. They're, I don't know if I can show you. I can't stand on anything. Give me I'm trying to take it off. I have these shoes on. These are navy blue and with the wood heel. These are shoes I'm wearing with this handbag because it matches pretty well. Okay, but anyway, maybe I'll be able to get to shots or something later and show you better the outfit. Or I'm going to try to move my camera back a little bit more, so I could try that in a second. But see, I could wear this crossbody like this, whatever. This is a Just Fab dress. I don't know if I said it, but it is. This is Just Fab as well. Or I could just carry the handbag, the crossbody. I could carry it just like this, of course. See, it's cute. Pretty cute, huh? So I'm gonna back up a little bit and see what I can get. More power to me. Give me a second. Let me cut you guys off, or let me just slide you back. Work with me. Work with me. Okay, let me see what I could get. Hold on. Don't go anywhere. So a little bit more. You can see the outfit with this. Let me go back to crossbody. Can you see there? It's so hot, you guys. I know I say that every time. The girl always kind of complain about the heat. Because I may be in menopause, you know how that goes. But here is a split in the dress. Here, there's a split in the dress. It crosses, as we can tell. Ties. I go around the back and tie the dress, whatever. And like I said, the shoes I'm wearing, trying not to show on my leg, is this shoe with it. So, sorry if you can't see it very well. I'm trying. I cannot film very well, especially in a distance. I don't see how people do it. You guys are so good. I don't see how you do it. I struggle with trying to do the bare minimum. Let me turn you a tiny bit. I struggle with the bare minimum, but anyway, you guys get the point. But I wanted to show you this crossbody handbag because I think it's so adorable. I am standing under a light, so I'm pretty hot, as we know. We guys know how this goes, but it is really cute. It's pretty heavy. The chain is pretty. It's good. It feels really, you know, like not really a real flimsy type of a strap. It's made pretty well. Ask me, I think it's made really well, but to each his own. But it's made really well, and of course you don't have to use you don't have to wear the strap at all. You could just carry the handbag. I'm just like I said before, I'm picking out little. I'm looking outside. Handbags and things, crossbodies, handbags. Maybe I may eventually do like a backpack or something. I'm not big on backpacks. I'm not saying that I won't completely do one, but I may not. I don't know. I may pick up one. But the thing is, sorry if my necklace is in the wrong direction. I don't know which way it's supposed to go. It's my name going straight down, but it may be backwards. If it is, you know how these things on the chain keep flipping back and forth, so I'm not crazy. And no, I'm not dyslexic. Dyslexic, I'm not. But anyway, I'm trying to, as I said before, pick up more handbags or accessories that are pretty reasonably priced because, like I said, during the situation that we're dealing with, it's like most of us, I'm guessing, I could be wrong, most of us are not going to shed out a lot of money right now, you understand? But for those that do, you know, great, and things like that, not playing it down, great, like being sarcastic, I'm not. I mean, really great if you can. If you're, you know, if you're still doing what you normally do, that's amazing and that's a blessing. But for some others, we need to cut costs a little bit. But sometimes shopping just makes us feel a little bit better, you understand? So I don't want anyone to think that they can't still spend a few dollars, but to get something that's really cute. Look, I just did. But to get something that's really cute and things like that. So in my opinion, I think it's fun to pick out a few things that may make you feel good and you can still yet carry or enjoy when this situation is over, and then things like that. So it's like makes good gifts. Mother's Day is coming up and things like that. And for some things I show, and I have some other bags I may show later that could be either or. They're unisex, some of the handbags, especially like Louis and a few others. They have lots of things that are unisex, I think. So, but anyway, this is really cute little clutch. And I'm saying little because it's kind of small, but it's a nice enough size. It's larger than, it could carry a decent amount. I'm always looking around because I look for things that I put in my handbag. Oh my gosh, the sun just changed. I saw the lighting shift. Let me bring myself back into some light. Okay, a little bit. So anyway, this is, like I said, things I'm doing to get through the time that we're going through and things like that. And there again, I hope everyone is healthy, well, happy, enjoying yourself. Do bare minimum shopping if you have to. Try to keep it down a little bit if possible. I hope I'm bringing something or sharing things that's cute enough for you. I hope you like. And I'm just looking at the lighting. I'm fading. The light. Go back into the light. Okay. So anyway, this is my intention to bring you things to let you know you can still enjoy yourself right now. And this is so adorable. This is pretty good quality in my opinion. There are no feet because of the way it's made. You know when handbags or clutches are made more squared, they don't typically put feet on them because the way the bag is made, it keeps the base of the bag off of the floor. But most of us don't sit our bags on the floor anyway. I don't. Even at home, typically I won't. But anyway, so this is really adorable. And I hope that I was able to share a little bit of the outfit because like I said, this dress is a just fab wrap dress. I love wrap dresses. I just like them. I think because people like me that has bigger upper part is easier to fit. You understand? Because a lot of things sometimes we buy or we purchase these cute made little tops or dresses. They don't give us good coverage. You understand? Enough. Well, it's not perfect coverage, but you understand what I'm talking about. I can adjust a wrap dress and things like that, so I wear them a lot and I just love them. They're comfortable, they're easy to throw on, and this is all the way down to the floor. I don't know if I didn't show it very well, but this is a floor length, not dragging the floor, but it's floor length and a full maxi. It's a full dress. But this is how I just go into the grocery store. This is how I just go in just to run my errands and things like that. This is really genuinely me. I wear this, I wear sundresses, I wear jeans, I wear different things. So it's truly for real that I'm not just doing this just for video per se, as if this is something I would not wear. This is absolutely my style. I wear, and it's a kind of it's not the high-end fabric or whatever. Maybe I shouldn't say that because they may call me and say, girl, what are you talking about? But it's like a knit or something material, whatever. It's comfortable. It doesn't only had a slight wrinkle in the lower part of the dress slightly because I had it laid across a hanger. I don't hang things up where it gets this like pointed in your sleeves, you understand? Sometimes, so I don't hang it up like this. I had it across the hanger. So it was a slight, but I noticed it fell out. The wrinkles are gone. This is a really good outfit for travel. I think this is an amazing outfit for travel and things like that. And even though the coloring in here is like a type of a green or something, a brown or something. I think it's like a brown or a forest green or something in this little swirl, in this type of a swirl thingy in here. I still went ahead and matched it with the like put it with the navy blue because I like blue and green anyway. Okay, so I went ahead and just did it with this. Put the two together because I just think it's cute. I think it looks cute with the, oh, I could do this like this too. I think it looks cute with the blue shoes because they're kind of wooden. They have the wooden heel, and this pattern reminds me of wood. I don't know any way to say it. So it's like you chop a tree. It reminds me of that. So that's made me think about the wood-based shoes. I know it's kind of girls all over the place. Yes, I am. That's how my brain functions. That's how I work. I match things accordingly, or coordinate things, match things. I coordinate things that way. So anyway, I'm just rambling and rambling and rambling. But this was my intention, to show you a full outfit of the day. If I realize it's not that well, I'll do this. Let Lexi, when she comes back to visit me, will be tomorrow, I'll let her take a picture. I put this back on, let her take a picture. So if I look a little bit different and the dress is on, it's just because I needed someone to hold the camera. You understand? So you guys know I have issues. You guys know, this about me. But I enjoy being here. I enjoy talking to you guys. I enjoy you in every way, everything that you guys are doing. Staying there for me. I appreciate it so much. I know I say it all the time, but I genuinely mean it. I really do. And I plan to come back on here. Maybe, I can't mess with this necklace. I'm going to be back on here maybe in a couple of days or whatever. I'm trying to at least stick to weekly videos. I'm trying as hard as I can to do that. But if I fall short, you guys, somebody lets me know. But anyway, so at the end of the day, don't worry about my necklace being in the wrong direction. I pick at it and it spins. So don't panic. Don't think the girl her name is backwards or something. It's not. It's just that when I move around it, sometimes this spins. So anyway, that being said, that's enough with that. Mess with that necklace. But anyway, you guys take care of yourselves. As I said before, love you so much. I love you guys so much. I will see you soon. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, do the notification. Turn that on. Please turn it on, because I'm feeling better about pushing these videos out. I'm doing way better. I really am. So, need my props. Ooh. Anyway, see you guys soon. Love you. Bye. Deuces.